ahead and pull these tubes free down here. Just wiggle the intake off. Loosen this clamp. Go ahead and should be able to pull it out like this, and there are two connectors right here. Now you want to pull this connector out like so. What I had to do here was get a ratchet with a 1/2-inch drive, stick it into the tensioner and rotate it clockwise, and then I just pull the belt off where it's sitting down now. So now I'm just gonna pull this off back here. If it would focus, you just pull this off. It won't focus, will it? But this nut right here will be a 10mm. Just now got this nut. Alright, I just pulled off the radiator hose, and I'm gonna do it over here just so I have a little bit more room and can see how it was so I can put it back right. Down here there are two alternator bolts that are down here, so I'm just gonna take these off real quick. Alright, I got both of those out. I don't know if you can see. I just gotta unbolt these top bolts, mounting bracket, whatever you want to call it. Alright, I got that bolt out, and now it's kind of just sitting here. And the only thing that's holding it is these two wires. My fingers in the way, I'm trying to move. These two wires right here. And they can be a little bit tricky to get out from what I watch, so I don't know if I'll be able to get it on camera.